Now we'll discuss about the next SQL select statements. This command can perform selections as well as projections. It is mostly extensively used in SQL commands everywhere. The select statements can be used to retrieve a subset of rows and columns from one or more tables present in a database. Okay, first, selections. This SQL returns the tuples from the relations with all the attributes. If you write select, how to write? Select particular column, you mention which one you want to retrieve, select column name 2, and from table name. So we can write, suppose select, I'm just giving one example, select name comma gender. So name and gender I want to print, and after that write from table name, from student. Where clause also we can use, the specific rows we can use. We can write select star. Star means all records. Okay, select star means all. From students means all attributes or fields can be shown here, not a particular one. Next will using where clause. In this case, just we can add one where clause. Select star from student where roll number less than 8. It means it displays only those records whose roll number is less than or equal to 8. Understood, I think. Okay, so next is one more, if you want, just I will show you, recording the columns while displaying the query result also. While displaying the result for a query, the order of the column to be displayed can be changed according to the user's requirement. But this is done only for those displays purpose, and no actual rearrangement of the columns is done. For example, you can select name, roll number, date of birth, marks from students. We can rearrange it also. Next, eliminating duplicate or redundant data. We can use distinct clause. I'll discuss the distinct clause in later also. Distinct clause generally used to remove duplicate rows from the result of a select statement. It is used to retrieve only unique values for a column in a table. Example I am showing you, select distinct, then write column name. That means distinctly means separate, means unique from a table name. So examples, suppose if you want to add a new column of the stream to a table, so we can write the command, that means distinct keyword we can write also. We can write another example, we can write select distinct stream from student. That means different unique one will come. Suppose here science, commerce, arts are given, so science, commerce, arts, if many are there also, it will show you only according to the numbers. So students, now we'll discuss about SQL operators. While working with select statements using where clause, condition based query processing is carried out using the 4 types of SQL operators. Number 1, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and special operators. Just I am telling you one by one. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, that is used to perform simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. These operators are used with conditional expressions and for performing simple mathematical calculations. The arithmetic operators with select statement we are using. I am giving some example. I can write select 5 plus 10. I can write select 5 plus 10 from the table name. So in this way we can use the arithmetic operators. Next we'll discuss another one. One example more also I am giving you, that is select roll number, name, marks plus 10, add after adding from students. Like that we can do. Next, relational operator. Relational operators, that is a mathematical symbols which is used to compare two values, and it is used to compare two values of the same compatible data types. Okay, so operators just like equal sign, equal to, greater than sign, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, then not equal to. So these are some relational operators. How to use that one? I'm giving one example. Select roll number, name, marks from student where marks greater than equal to 90. So greater than equal to, I'm writing the relational operators. Okay, next we'll discuss the next part. So relational operator, I think students you understood. Next, logical operators. Logical operators, that is used to combine multiple conditions to narrow the data selected and displayed on the basis of the conditions specified in the SQL statements. Logical operator means generally we are taking not, and, or. And operators, that is displayed a record and returns a true value if all the conditions, one or more, specified in the where clause are true, then only it will be true. Okay, that MySQL, we can give an example. Select star from student where clause we are writing where marks greater than 80 and gender equal to M. That means and operator we are using. Similar way, or operator we can use, that is display record and returns a true value if either of the conditions is true specified in where clause. Example I am showing you. See, suppose select roll number, name, stream from student where stream equal to science or stream equal to commerce. Not operator. Not operator is also termed as a negation operators. Unlike the other two operators, this operator takes only one conditions and gives the reverse of the given result. Example 1 I am giving. Select name, marks from student where not stream equal to vocational. Means the stream is which stream? According to the stream contains not vocational, not stream equal to vocational. If vocational stream is not there, for them name, marks from student, name and marks should be displayed. Those stream is not vocational. Okay, so after that we'll use the special operators. In special operator, first we'll discuss between, conditional based a range. Okay, conditional based, that between and. Syntax actually defines a range of values that columns value must fall of the conditions to become true. Example, syntax will see. Select column name from table name where column name between this value and this value. Example I am showing you. Select roll number, note down whenever I am telling you. Select roll number, name, marks from student where marks between 80 and 100. That means this command displays roll number, name along with marks of those students whose marks lie in the range of 80 to 100. Next, not between. Not between operators works opposite to between operators. Okay, in the similar way we can write select roll number, name, marks from student where marks not between 80 and 100. Just its opposite. Next will conditional based on a list. We'll see in. To specify a list of values, if you are having some values, if you want to mention it, in operator must be used. Example, select column name from table name where column name in value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. Example I am showing you. MySQL select star from student where stream in science, commerce and humanities. It means these three data are there, three categories are there. So from this whatever you will enter, it should be under this three. Okay, that means displayed whose stream is either science and commerce or humanities. Not in. It is also just opposite of in, and it matches, finds and returns the rows that do not match the list. Do not match the list. Next is like. This is a condition based on pattern like. This operator is used to search for a specific pattern in a column. This operator is used with the column with the char. Okay. Like operator searches the column to find if the part of the columns matches the string specified in the parenthesis after the like operator in the commands. Let us see. So generally this SQL like conditions allows you to use wildcards to perform pattern matching. SQL provides two wildcard characters that are used while comparing the strings with like operator. One is %, which matches any string. One underscore matches only one characters. Syntax: select column names from table name where column name like pattern. So example we'll see. MySQL select star from student where name like D% I am giving. It means what? D% means it displays those records where the name begins with character D. Give another example. Suppose select star from student where name like %A. It means what? It means it displays the record for those student whose name ends with the letter A. Next is select star from student where name like %E%. Suppose I am writing. What do you mean by this? That means displays the records of all the students whose name contains the character E in it. In it means maybe before E, whatever the characters may be there, and after E also may be there. If some more, I am giving one example. Select star from student where name like underscore E%. What do you mean by this? That means it displays the roll number, name and date of birth of all the students whose name contains the letter E at the second place. Okay. One more example I am giving. Select roll number, name, marks, DOB from student where name like %sign R double underscore. And it means what? It displays the roll number, name, marks and date of birth all the students whose name contains the letter R from the third last position. Okay. So now we'll discuss about the two topic is null. Two more are there, that is special operators. One is null and distinct. Okay. So is null value in a column can be searched for in a table using null particular keyword with where clause. Example it is given. Suppose to list details of all employees whose departments contains null value. So we can write the command in this way: select employee number, EMP number, EMP name, job from EMP where department number is null. Means if the department number is empty or null, that in that case EMP number or EMP name, job will be displayed in front of you. Okay. Next is distinct. In the similar way, distinct can be eliminates the duplicate row from the results of a select statement. If any duplicate rows are there, duplicate when same fields are there, that it will remove. So example, select distinct city from supplier. That means different unique city will be there, unique name will be there. If any duplicate names will be there of city, it will be removed. Only the single name of city will be displayed from the table supplier. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.